Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood, we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This Journey is in granite. It looks awesome. It's kind of like a dark silver gray metallic color, and we do have our halogen headlights right up front here, as well as you got some more lights just down there. You do got the Dodge logo over there with that bit of chrome accenting, and it does come in a pair of 17-inch rims with Komu brand tires, and they look great. There's still quite a bit of tread left on them, and those rims look really nice as well. We got our mirrors right over here as well. They are in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. And then coming around the back here, we do have the Journey logo right there, the Dodge logo right there, and the SXT logo. Now there is a handle right here. We just pull that guy and open it up for us. Now back here you do have some room as well to store some stuff. You can open this guy up and there's more room right under there. And then if you did want, you can pull these and you fold those down just like that. And you can do the exact same with the other side, just like this. Pull that one down, just like that. And it does give you a lot more room as well. Okay, we do have our keys here, so let's jump on in. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, 2 presses for the remote start, and 2 presses for the panic button. It does also come with proximity keyless entry, so as long as the key is on your person and you do have it locked, you can actually just put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. You also have the button that can lock it if you did want. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, plus a bit of that chrome handle here and a bit more storage down here. You do have electric seats here, so back and forward, and then you can lean, or you can do the lumbar support back and forth as well. And then you do have right here controls over your lights, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights, your in-cabin lights, and this guy is your control over your turning signals, your high beams, and your windshield wipers. Okay, I got the keys in the cup holder. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake and press the button, and it does start right up for us. Now in the center we do have our speedometer, our odometer, our fuel gauge, and our oil temperature. As well, you do have the vehicle speed in the center there, what gear we're in, the temperature, the kilometers, which is only 45, that is nothing at all, plus which way we're facing. So you can change that guy. You got your fuel economy, you have your vehicle speed, you got your trip info, your tire KPA, you got your vehicle info, your messages, and then you can turn the screen, the menu off. If you did want to, if it is too bright for you, you can turn that off. And that is all controlled right from here, right from your steering wheel, so you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel. You got your voice recognition there, you got your call out button, you have your horn in the middle, and you also have your cruise control options on the other side. In the center here, you do have a touch screen, boop, boop, just like that. And it does come with FM and AM, of course, and then you do have the player, so you can hook it up through an aux cord, USB, you got a disc drive, or you have your Bluetooth, you can hook it up through any of that stuff. You also got your climate, so you have your heated seat for you and your passenger, you got your climate, you can sync it up, it is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different heats, which is really nice. You also got your settings over here to change things, your more options, so your your compass, your phone, all that stuff, and then you can turn the screen if it's off. And then you got a little bit of storage here. Down here you do have your hazard lights, you got your air conditioning, your circulation, your front and rear defrost, your traction control, and then you got your volume up and down, your dual climate, you're off, then that's the power up and down, and that guy is the browser as well. You got your CD player right here, which is very nice, and then you also right down there have your aux cord and your USB plug-in, as well as a 12-volt plug-in. You got your cup holders here and your key, of course, and then you also have your gear shift, just like this as well, very easy to do. And then you do have your armrest, which doubles as a storage container, and you can move this guy out of the way, and you got even more room right down there. You can also come over here, and you got your glove box. It is a lock and glove box, so if someone did decide to break in and it was locked, they wouldn't be able to get in. So it is locked, and you do have your owner's manual in there as well. And then up top here, you do have a sunglass holder with a little mirror on it, and some lights right there as well. Okay, let's jump in the back here, open this guy up. Now they do have control over their own windows, of course. A little bit of that more chrome accenting. You got a handle here, some more storage down here, and a lot of leg room back here as well. They do have an outlet right there to plug something in, and you got some storage down here if you did need to. You got an identical one on the other side, but there is a lot of room back here. Plus, if you didn't have the person in the middle, you can pull this guy down, and you do have an armrest there. Now to get into the back, you do just gotta pull this guy, and it folds forward just like this, and you can get right into the back there. So it does seat 7 altogether. Awesome vehicle for family outings or whatnot. It would be perfect for you. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.